Welcome back, dear students. We are learning some of the most important topics for the scientific reason. It's case of angular motion, and we have studied about some of the most interesting examples of scientific reasons from our daily life. Now, another question: a ball is just supported by a string without breaking. If it is set into swing, it breaks. Explain. When the ball attached to the string is at rest, the tension in the string is just equal to the weight of the ball. That is T is equal to mg. But when it is set into rotation along a circle, the centripetal force is needed, which is directed towards the center. So net force, the centripetal force that is equal to tension and the weight which is acting in outward direction. So if you calculate the tension, collectively there are two forces acting on tension. One is the weight and the other one is the centripetal force. Weight is calculated by using this formula and centripetal force is calculated by this formula. This expression indicates that the tension in the string increases when the ball is set in motion. Here it is. And it will break the string. The ball is at rest. If the ball is at rest, then the tension is equal to weight. What happens? This is the main logic. When the string is at rest, weight is acting downward, tension is acting upward. These two forces are canceling each other, so it is at rest. There is no more danger of breaking. So when you set it into motion, at the same time, a centripetal force acts on it to keep it inside a circular motion. So at that time, tension is acting inward, the weight acts towards the gravity outside. So these are the two forces acting on it. If you are asked to calculate the total tension acting, T will be equal to minus W, where it will become plus. So this tension is basically during the motion, weight is also added with the tension. So that's why due to increase of these two forces, it's a danger of breaking of the string. So this is one of the simplest type of the logic or the reason to understand why it breaks when it is set into motion. Why? Because when it's at rest, there is already tension and weight, but you set into motion, a centripetal force come in. And if you calculate the total amount of force acting on the string, centripetal force plus weight both, so which results in increase in the force. So that's why there is danger of breaking of the string. Thank you very much for your attention.